Doing this. I made this a little. I made bunny chance. Sorry, I gotta sneeze real quick. So sorry, I'm sick. Okay, moving on to the next one. I made this quail. I made gorilla tag art. Sorry guys, I'm a bit sick. I made chill echo. Tella gorilla tag. J-Man. Elliot. Eric. VMT. And Carlope. I made Toodles. I made her fan skin. I made Mafioso and Noob. Mafioso found out that Noob took his bunny, so he's getting revenge. So sorry. That's a mini dandy, so adorable. Okay, moving on to the next one. I made this. Sorry if it looks very sexual. If you don't like it, just don't leave any negative comments. Thank you. I made this Noob as a girl because people made him. So sorry for my stutter. People made him like that, so why not make him like that too? I made Poppy and Scraps, of course. I also made this, my OCs. I also made this. So sorry for sniffling. I also made this from my big scary VR experience. This is how I end up looking anyways. Moving on. I also made... We're skipping those. I made Flutter. This. Some big scary experience again. If you guys know that game, leave it in the comments if you know this game. It's called Big Scary. It's on VR. It's like a game where it has... Hold on, I'm so sorry. It has 33 levels. Sorry if I get it correct. This is incorrect. This is my Big Scary experience once again. And I'm looking like this. Why I keep on saying it? I made this little kitty. I also made this. I also made this. How does it look, guys? Leave so sorry, I don't know how to say it. Moving on. This is what I made to make it my OC in fundamental paper education. I made me quote, cause why not? I made this. Sorry it was 9 minutes. It took me 1 minute. I made J-Man Curly. J-Man Curly, if you see this, I'm a big fan of yours. I also made this. My OC and their boyfriend. Just to remind you, this OC is not gay. This is a girl. This right here is a girl. And this right here is a boy. This is Chill Echo. Chill Echo, if you see this, I'm your biggest fan. This is Mythical Rose. If you see this, I'm also your biggest fan. Ka-chow. This is Tella. So sorry, Tella, I made you look crazy. I'm a bit crazy. I also made this. Mafioso and my OC crying because my OC is afraid of him. I made Bobette. I got this design inspired by Wendy Lot. Wendy Lot, I love your art. I also made my OC once again. I also made an OC twice. This is the third time actually. This is fourth. Blue dude, cool kid, pretty princess, and my OC. Fifth time. Mafioso tied up, cause why not? And my OC Mac, cause Mafioso ate his cookies. I also try to make this my background thumbnail. So sorry, I'm sniffling. I'm sick. This is the third time I said this. I also made this. This is my profile. I also made this. This is Shorty Chance and Tall Gigi. Sorry if there's a big height difference. Is that I want to make him look like he's like a little brother, and she's the big sister. Moving on. I made this. Chance after seeing the fan art. I also made this. I also made this. And this. And this. I love it. The goobers. I made Inoya. Yeah. Do not mind the nose. No. Oh my god, guys, we don't talk about this. I just practiced trying to make something. So ka-chow. I also made this yata. I also made this and this, my OC. You're gonna skip that. I also made this, a Sprunky OC. I can't believe I'm mentioning Sprunky now, after 1 year. I also made this, Gorilla Tag thing. I also made this. I'm so sorry for sniffling, guys. Please don't get mad. I also made this. I also made this. And this. That's Mafioso calling out, just to remind you. And this is my OC. That one that's saying Chance is Mafioso calling him because Chance needs to pay his debt. I also made this where Chance introduces himself and Elliot. They found him in the woods. Not like Chance, please. Do not mention that. He's scared. He's scared because he doesn't know who they are. Chance is thinking about slot machine. Guys, we don't talk about this. Guys, we don't talk about this. We don't talk about this. I am so sorry for that. My bad. As that I'm very allergic to my cat, so I'm getting a bad reaction. So sorry about that. I made this like Cloud's World. My dad is real OC. Oh my god, I'm going to lose. I also made this. It's not my fit. It's not my outfit. That's what it says. I also made this. Sorry it looks bad. I'm just... I also made this. By the way, this is Ginger. I also made this. And this. And this. And this. This and this and this and this. 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 Yeah. I also made this. Tella Gorilla Tag. If you see this, I love you. I also made this and this and this and this. Frick. I also made this, 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 this. Okay, I'm tired now. Bye, guys. Love you all. I'm hoping I will get to like 100 subs. Well, guys, if you like this, like and subscribe. Love ya. Have a great year.